Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can display or how you can find hidden folders on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you had hidden any folder on your computer, or you can just find the folder or file because it was accidentally hidden, this video will help you to display it and bring it back to our desktop. So if you look at these windows, I'm looking for a folder called LUTs, but I can't find it. So to find any folder that is hidden, go to File Explorer and open it. Now from here, choose the View option, click on it, and then you'll see the Hidden Items option. Check it to expose all the hidden files and folders or items on your computer. Now let's go back to our desktop and see if the file by the name LUTs can be found. And here it is. It is now available on our desktop. Now there is one more step that you need to take for this file to be actively available and display like the other files. As you can see, it is displayed as if it is empty and not active. So to make it look like the other folders on our desktop, right click on the folder and then from here go and select Properties. Now from Properties, look for Attributes and look for Hidden, and under Hidden option you can see it is checked. Proceed and uncheck it, then click on Apply, click on OK, and then finally click on OK here. And as you can see, the file now is actively alive and functional on our computer. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Watch the next video for more tech tips.